वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We have seen Rashabhyam Nonaha Samanapade, the last class. Right?
Yes, yeah. And the next also.
Next also, yes.
Yeah.
Ravarnat Chaiti Vaktavyam, Bhaktika also we saw. Then Atkupangam Vyavage Api, Nattum Bhavati. Then the starting from the Sutra 841 up to 8437, all the 37 or more sutras, it deals with this Natvam. That Natvam we will see in detail later. All the sutras we'll see that. Further samasa, other things will come. Not so important sutras, but we can know all the sutras. That can be taken separately as Natva section. The important sutras are, to start with now, Rashabhyam Nona Savanapade, then Atkupangam Vyavaye Api, then this Apavada, Padantasya Na. Padantasya Na. Padantasya Na is 37th Sutra, but this Natvam goes up to 39th Sutra. 39th is Shubhnadishucha. The Sutra Pata, if you see. So up to that, Shubhnadishu, 8439. Okay. So now we are interested in this Padantasya 8437. For that, Na comes as Anuvrutti from 34. Na, Bha, Bu, Pu, Kami, Gami, Pyayi, Vepam. From that, Na comes as Anuvrutti to Padantasya. Na Padantasya, what Prashabhyam no Naha Samanapade. Dantya Nakarasya, Padante Vidyamanasya, Dantya Nakarasya, Nattum Nabhavati. That is what is Sutra 8437. We will see. The Anuvrutti is 841 and 842, both the Sutra because they are the Adhikara Sutra, so both comes as Anuvritti. So 841 and 842 the Adhikara Sutra. You can see Rashabhyam Naunaka Samanapati. Purva Padat Dari Atkumbang Num Yavaye Api. Even though that it's not Adhikara, but you can understand that also. Anyway, that is not required for this because we are negating only Padantanakara. For negation, what is the intervention? Not required. So that is not there. So only Rashabhyam Naunaka Samanapati. Now we will see Padantasya Na. Padantasya Na Na. Nattum Na. Padantasya Rashabhyam Na. Samhitayam Vishaye Purvatra Asiddham. So Rashabhyam Naha Naha Na. One Naha is Sthani Naha, Nattum, Dantinakara. Other Naha is Adesha, Murdaninakara. Na Bhavati. Doesn't happen. Nattum Na Bhavati. Repa Shakarat Parasya Padanta Nakarasya Nattum Na Bhavati. Nattum Na Bhavati. So Padanta Nakara following Repa and Shakara. Nattum will not happen. Yadyapi Pade Natta Nimittakaha Repaha Shakaraha Va Asti. The Nimitta for causing the Nattam which is Repa Shakara or even Rikara also. If it is there, Tatapi Tasya Upastitau Padante Vidyamanasya Nakarasya Nattum Na Bhavati. Even though Nimitta is there, the Karya will not happen because it is Apavada. Yatha, this example, Pushan. Pushan, the Nakara is there. Nimitta is Shakara. So, Nimitta, even though Shakara is there. Even when intervened by the allowed letters, Atkubam Num Vyavaye Api. In fact, that also you can bring it. Atkubam Num Vyavaye Api. Doesn't, Nimitta is a doesn't, this Nakara doesn't follow the Nimitta immediately. Intervened by the Akara is there in Pushan. Similarly, Vrikshan. Here also, Kakara plus Shakara, then Akara, then only Nakara. So intervened by Atkubam Num Vyavaye. Whether it intervenes or this Nakara follows immediately the Nimitta. That will not happen. Apurvan. So all these are examples. Charan. Eteshu Padeshu Vidyamanasya Nakarasya Nattum Na Bhavati. Kashika Karasya simply Padantasya Nakarasya Nakaradesha Na Bhavati. Vrikshan. All the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Bhagavachanam. Examples. Raman, Harin. Siddhanta Kumari simple. Padantasya Nasya Nattum Nasya. Raman iti. Then the next sutra we will see. After Padantasya, Stoho Stunashugu. All those things we know very well. Sutra we will see. 8440. So up to 8439, you can see now. Then remember how this the section, how the topics are covered. From 841 to 8439, it is Natva section. From 8440, it is 8440 is Vishtutva, and other things will come. Vishtutva, then this Jashtam, then this Pararupa, Sandhi, all those things will come. 8440. So the next sutra is 8440. Stoho Stunaschuhu. So here the Tritiya Vibhakti is that. Tritiya Vibhakti is that we know it is Yoge. It is Yoge. Yoge means it has samanta, it has connection with either preceding or succeeding. Only the four vibhaktis are used. One is Shashti Vibhakti, that is Thani, Adesha Prathama Vibhakti, then Saptami Vibhakti, and Panchami, and then Tritiya. So 5. So Tasmain iti nirdishte purvasya, that is Saptami. Tasmad iti uttarasya Panchami. There to locate this Thani. The Stuna is this Toho, Stuna, Stuhu. Stuna says this is in contact with, Stu is in contact with Stu. And it can be either before or after. Purva or para. For that, Stuna. So therefore, it is Tritiya Vibhakti. It can be before or after. It is in contact. That is what it means. Stuna. So Tritiya Vibhakti, we will see. Stoho is the Stani. Stoho. Stuhu Adesha Bhavati. Stuna. When it's in contact with Stu. Following or preceding, both. It could precede or it could follow. So 8440. Stoho Stunashtuhu. And Stoho, it goes as Anuvritti up to 8442. Then this Chutva is 44. This Chutva, sorry, this 8 Stoho Stunashtuhu. This Chutva and Shtutva, all these are covered from 8440 to 8444. Chutva and Shtutva. Utsarga is Stoho Stunashtuhu. Then Stoho Stunashtuhu, that is also Utsarga. The following three sutras are Apavada. Na Padantat Toranam, Tohoshi. These two are the Apavada for Stunashtuhu. Shat is Apavada for Stoho Stunashtuhu. So these 5 sutras cover the Chutva, Shtutva, Sandhi. So this is how the arrangement of the sutra is. Now we will see 8440. 8440. Stoho Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Stu is the Pratipadikam. Therefore, Guroho Stoho Ekavachanam Shashti Vibhakti. Stuho is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Stuna Tritiya Vibhakti. Important Adhikara 8 to 1 Purvatra Siddham and Samhitaya Adhikara. So Stoho, what is Stoho? Sakara Tavarga Yogo. Sakara Tavarga Yogo. Stu Shakara Chavargabhyam Yoge. Chavargabhyam is Tritiya Vibhakti. Yoge, contact. Shakara Chavargabhyam Yoge. Kimbhavati Sakara Tavarga Yogo. Shakara Chavargau Kramena Bhavati Staha. So Sakara and Tavarga letter in contact with Shakara or Chavarga will be replaced by Shakara and Chavarga respectively. It is Sakara will be replaced by Shakara and Tavarga will be replaced by Chavarga. We know this sutra. So here, Stoho is a samasa. Sascha, Tuscha. Stuhu. It is Samahara Dvanda Samasa. 2 letters are there. It is in Ekavachanam. Pratipadikam is 2. That's why I said like Guru Shabda. Stoho is 6-1. Guroho, like. So it has to be Samahara Dvanda Samasa. 2 words are there, but it will be Ekavachanam. Stu. Sascha, Tuscha, Stuhu. Samahara Dvanda Samasa. Similarly, Shascha, Chuscha, Stuhu. That is also Samahara Dvanda Samasa. Okay. Then, Asmin Sutre, Prayukta Tritiya Vibhakti Yoge Asmin Arte Prayujyate. So, Tritiya Vibhakti, it is used in the sense of Yoge. Shakara Chavargiya Varnasya Ya Yoge Ityukte Tasmat Avyavahita Rupena. Avyavahita, it must be. Avyavahita Rupena Purvaha Parahava. Avyavahita, no Vyavadana, no gap, no intervention. Immediately preceding or immediately following what this Shakara or Chavarga, immediately preceding or immediately following this stu, sakarah uta is va, sakarah उत तवर्गीयवर्णः विद्यते चेत् सकारस्य शकार आदेशः तवर्गीयवर्णस्य चवर्गीयवर्णादेशः यथासङ्ख्यमनोदेशसमानं क्रमेण भवति। अस्याः प्रक्रियाः नाम एव श्चुत्वम् इति। दिस् प्रक्रिया इस् कॉल्ड श्चुत्वम्, श्चुत्वसन्धि। Sandhi is renamed, it is named after the adesha, therefore श्चुत्वा सन्धि. Okay. Now the example. Okay, शकार चवर्गीय वर्णस्य या योगे इत्युक्ते तस्मात् अव्यवहित रूपेण पूर्वः परः वा सकारः उत सवर्गीय वर्णः विद्यते चेत् Stuna is yoge, that is stu is the which is preceded by stu or followed by stu. That is how we have to take. Preceded by or followed by. So stuna, stogo, stuka bhavati. With reference to stu, preceded by stu or followed by stu, then stutva adesha will be there. Udaharanani etadrishani. Sakara shakara yoga. Contact of sakara and shakara. Purva or para. So sakara plus shakara ityatra sakarasya shakaraha bhavati. Ramas pashyate, ramashete, we know. How does it happen? Ramas pashyate. First it becomes visarga. Optionally. Ramaha shete or ramashete. Both are possible by Vashari. Remember. Sasajishoruhu Ramaha shete, then visarjaniyasya saha 8434 will apply. So Ramaha shete will come, or visarjaniyasya saha Vashari, by that Vashari Ramaha shete, visarjaniyasya saha Ramash shete possible. Ramaha shete, if you leave it, no problem, that is one form. But if you replace Visarga by Sakara, then further Shuttam you have to do, then only it is complete. If you apply 8334, you have to apply 8440. Sakara will undergo change because it is in contact with Shakara. Then the next one, 1.2, Shakara plus Sakara ityatra yadyapi anena sutrena Sakarasya Shakara vidyate tatapi asya avasthayam asya sutrasya prasaktihi nasti. Yataha Vrascha, Brascha, Sruja, Mruja, Yaja, Raja, Braj, Cha, Shaha, 8-36, Anena Sutrena, Shakarasya, Sakare, Pare, Shakaradesha Bhavati. All these things we have seen in detail in the preceding contact, succeeding contact, without sutra we saw. Remember that? You have to, the file also I think I sent you. In the Sandhi. The Sandhi file, the word file, there it is, Nasambhavati, that not possibility, that drishtanta not there, example not there. Remember that?
Which one? Yeah.
The word file in the beginning, when we learned this Chitta Shtuta Sandhi without sutra, the four possibility, preceding contacts and succeeding contacts. So like that we saw. In fact, 8, because Sakara and Tavarga is there, therefore 8 possibility. For each possibility, example is given. For some possibility, it doesn't exist. Why? Because if that's what it says, the point number 2, 1.2 says, all those things are covered already. You remember? Okay. Let me show the file. If you don't remember that Visarga Sandhi, the consonant Sandhi, one file. I mean, file or whatever maybe. I mean, file is there, but we have seen this. The class. Okay, let me show that. Rusty. Just a minute. Yes, I'll show you now. Changes happening to Sakara and Tu when contact with Shakara Chu. Rule. When Stu is in contact with Stu, Stu will be replaced by Stu. This is a file I was talking about. Two types of contacts possible: preceding contact, succeeding contact. The succeeding contact itself, four possibilities are there. That is, Shakara can have succeeding contact, can follow Sakara. Similarly, Chavarga can follow. Similarly, Tavarga followed by Shakara, Tavarga followed by Chavarga letter. So this is succeeding contact. We don't have example for everything. Why? Because for certain thing doesn't exist. You remember this? This is a file I said. Similarly, preceding contact. Sakara is Shakara. That is, Shakara is preceded by Sakara, or Chavarga preceded by Tavarga. Preceding contact. When Stu is in contact with Stu is in contact with the following. Anyway, I've written it wrongly. I'll correct it later. So preceding contact. Shakara in contact with Sakara, which Sakara precedes. So here there is no example. That is what in this here in the site is shown. This Chavarga is in contact with Tavarga. Okay, then this Shakara plus Sakara, that's na Sambhavati. There are no example. Why? Because now you know Shattam happens in Brashta 8 to 36. So wherever Talavya Shakara is there, that is converted to Murdanya Shakara by 8 to 36. Can you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, Jia. Yeah.
Yes, Ji.
So therefore, na Sambhavati, that possibility is already taken over by 8 to 36. So this is what the file I said. Okay. So preceding contact when Stu is in contact with succeeding Stu. That must be, I did correct that. Similarly, here also, when Stu is in contact with when Stu is in contact with the succeeding Stu is correct. When Stu is in contact with the succeeding Stu, then succeeding contact. Yeah, preceding Stu, it's correct only. Nothing is to correct. Okay, sorry. When Stu is in contact with preceding Stu. So this is with the examples we have seen this. So succeeding contact, preceding contact, and 4 possibility for each. Therefore, 8 possibility. And in all the possibility, we don't have example. For some possibility, there is exception, like the shat, napadanta, toranam, those things. All these things in the beginning, without the sutra, when we saw that time, it is covered. I hope you remember.
Yes, Jia.
This is the file I said. Okay, now coming back here. So Shakara, the Sakara in contact with Shakara, preceding contact. Ityatra yadyapi anena sutrena, what happened to Sakara? Sakara will become Shakara vidiyate tatapi asya avasthayam asya sutrasya prasaktihi nasti. This sutra will not apply here because this Vrashya Srija Mrija by that sutra, anena sutrena, this Shakara, what is there? That what will happen to the Shakara by this sutra 8 to 36?
Shattu. Yeah.
How does it become more than a Shakara? What is the condition? Padante or
Yeah.
Jali pare.
Yeah.
Padante or Jali. Here Sakara is it not a Jal letter? Yes, the Jal letter. So even if it is not a Padanta, if Sakara is there, then what will happen to the Talavya Shakara? It will become more than a Shakara. So therefore, Stutva, that possibility not there. That's what it says. Anel Sutra, Shakarasya, Sakare Pare, Shakara Desha Bhavati. You cannot apply 8 for 40 here because 8 to 36 we are in Purvatra Siddham. Preceding sutra will apply first, then only succeeding sutra. Okay, so that is Purvatra Siddham. Shastram itself is Asiddham. Okay, that we'll talk about that in the I think Purvatra Siddham, the last line. I didn't explain that. Asiddhatvam, whether there's a discussion in the Siddhanta Kaumudi, whether it is Karya Asiddhatvam or Shastra Asiddhatvam. Karya Asiddhatva Paksha has got some defect. That argument has got some defect. It should be Shastra Asiddhatvam. Ashtadhyayi should be looked upon as two Shastram. Purva Shastram, that is Sapara Saptadhyayi. Parashastram, which is Tripadi. Like Vedanta, we look upon the Veda as two Shastram, not as one Shastram. We look upon as one Shastram, then karma becomes important. That's why we talk about two Anubandha Chatushtaya, two different Adhikari, Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti, and then we talk about Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti for Purva Bhagha, Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti for Vedanta also. They are different. Anubandha Chatushtayam is different. Therefore, Adhikari also different. Vishaya is different. Sambandha is different. Everything is different. Two Shastra. Similarly here also. So Shastra, the Shastram is looked upon as two. Vyakarana Shastram, Ashtadhyayi, looked upon as two. Sapada Saptadhyayi and Tripadi. Shastra Dvayam. So the Parashastram is Asiddha to Purva Shastram. Even the Parashastram itself, the preceding sutra, for the preceding sutra, the succeeding sutras are Asiddham, as though it doesn't exist. So, that being the case, you cannot apply 8 for 40, overriding the 8 to 36. Therefore, this doesn't have occasion to occur at all. Doesn't get any chance. The Shakara remaining there. Shakara followed by Sakara, this chance you will not get because it will be Shakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. Either if it is at the end of the Padam or followed by Sakara itself, that's a Jal letter. So you will not see this possibility at all. Is it clear?
Yes, dear.
This is what it says. Without telling this, only we saw in this Sandhi in the beginning. We saw this. Then Sakara Chavarga Yoga, the contact of Sakara and Chavarga. Sakara in contact with Chavarga, succeeding contact. Ityatra, Anena Sutrena, Sakarasya Shakaraha Bhavati. Sakara is replaced by Shakara. So Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. Remember. Then if Tavarga is there, that will be replaced by Chavarga. Ramas plus Chinoti. Here what happens? Ramas Chinoti. Followed by the Kar letter. So therefore it will become Visarga. Visarjaniyasya Saha will come. That 8 for 34, 8 to 8334 will apply. Then once Sakara comes, apply this Chutta Sandhi. That is the order. 84, 8266, Visarga will come. Visarga Karavasana Yoga, 8266. By that you get Ru. Then Karavasana Yoga Visarjaniyaha, 8315, Visarga will come. Then 8334, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Because followed by Kar letter. Kar is the nimitta for causing Visarga to come and Visarga becoming Sakara. Then Sakara is in contact with Chavarga letter. Therefore, applying Chutta Sandhi, Ramas Chinoti, you get. Okay. The next one, 2.2. Chavarga plus Sakara. Ityatra, Yatyapi, Anena Sutrena, Sakarasya, Shakaraha Vidiyate, Tatapi, Asyam Avastayam, Asya Sutrasya, Prasaktihi Nasti. Why doesn't apply here? Chavarga followed by Sakara, or in other words, Sakara preceded by Chavarga. Why doesn't apply? Sakara being a Jal letter, preceded by Chavarga letter. What will happen to Chavarga? Sakara being a Jal letter. Kuttam will apply, right? Kuttam will negate this possibility occurring. Chogo Kuhu. That is why sutras are arranged. It's important. You have to see 8-2 to be applied first in the sutra, starting from Hodaha onwards. Ityanena chavargasya sakare pare kavarghadeshaha bhavati. So when kavarga comes, then where is the chance first to apply? It will not apply. This possibility is not there. Other possibilities are there. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, Jia. Yeah.
The next one, Tavarga Shakara Yoga. So far what we have seen, this Chakara Yoga. Okay, Sakara, Shakara, Chavarga. Now Tavarga letter. Tavarga, Chavarga Yoga. Sakara in contact with Chavarga, Ityatra. Sorry, third one. Tavarga Shakara Yoga. Tavarga plus Shakara. Ityanena, Anena Sutrena, Tavargiya Varnasya, Yata Sankyam, Chavargiya Varnaha Bhavati. Here it happens. That is, Tavarga is in contact with Shakara, succeeding contact. Marut plus Shete, apply Jalam Jashante first. Maruj plus Shete, then Jakara is there. Apply Stogos to Nashtuhu. First is Marut Shete Jalam Jashante, then Stogos to Nashtuhu, Maruj will come. Jakara comes in the place of the Kara. Then Karicha to be applied. Maruj. Then Shashchoti. It's called Chattam. That is an optional rule that we will see. The sutra we will see, but we know what it is. That is, Shakara will be replaced by Chakara when followed by Chaha Ati, when followed by Ami. In fact, Ati can be changed into Ami. Shashchoti is there. You can take that to be Ami. By Vartika Kara, it says. So, Shakara when followed by letter, then Shakara is replaced by Chakara optionally. Therefore, only you have two forms, Marut Chete or Marut Shete. Anyway, that sutra we will see later. So, final form you get like this. Then, Shakara plus Tavarga. Here only the Apavada comes, 8444. Iti anena, Shat is Panchami. So, Shat is Panchami, therefore, Kim bhavati atra Shat plus Tavarga, iti anena, Shtutvasya Nishedaha vidiyate. So, when Shakara precedes Tavarga letter, then Shuttam will not happen, Shat. Why Tavarga letter? Why not Sakara? That possibility already not there. We have covered, right? 3.2. We are seeing 3.2 now. Shakara plus Tavarga, that is Tavarga letter preceded by Shakara, by Shat, by the Shat Sutra, Shuttam is negated. Why not Sakara? Because that possibility is itself is not there. That's what we saw here, 1.2. It's clear. Prascha, Sajam, Raja. By that, it is not there. Therefore, removing the Sakara, only Tavarga he says. You have to connect 1.2 and 3.2 here. Is it clear, Parvati ji?
Yes, sir.
So, when Sakara in contact with, preceding contact with Shakara, that is, Shakara will not be there. It will be changed to Murdani Shakara by 8 to 36 and all. Therefore, only here in 3.2, here he says, Tavarga in contact with only Shakara. See, the sutra is Toho. Stu also must come. But since that possibility is not there, therefore, that is not covered here. Shat only is given. I mean, the Shakara only is given. Shat. Shat is when Shakara, when the Sakara and Tavarga preceded by Shakara. Yes, Sakara not given because when that Sakara comes, this Shakara will not be there. Being a Jal letter Sakara, the Talavi Shakara will be replaced by Murdane Shakara by 8 to 36. So that possibility, removing that possibility, is saying that when Tavarga preceded by Shakara, then Shutva is Nishedha Bhavati, Shutva is negated. Then number 4, Tavarga Chavarga Yoga. Tavarga in contact with Chavarga, succeeding contact. Ityatra anena sutrena Tavargi varnasya yatha sankyam kramena Chavargi varnaha bhavati yatha sat plus chit. Sat plus chit. Directly we cannot apply 8 440. You have to follow the order. First you have to apply Jalam Jashante, then Stagostana Shugu, then apply Karicha, finally you get Satchit. So you get the form Satchit. Evam evam Machaya, Sajjanaha, Majjilika, etc. Okay. And 4.2. Chavargaha plus Tavargaha ityatra Tavargiya varnaha yadi nakaraha nasti tarhi चोगोपुः इत्यनेन चवर्गस्य कवर्गादेश भवति अतः अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रसक्तिः नास्ति नकारे परे तु अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रयोगः दृश्यते okay this is another one that is tavarga letter preceded by chavarga letter what happens here the same thing tavarga being a jal letter but not all the letters are jal in tavarga tha tha the, na. 5 letters are there. The last letter is not a jal letter. What is jal? Jabhai, Garadash, Jabhagaradash. That is 4, 3, 2, 1. And all the sibilants are covered. Right? This is a jal letter. So, therefore, in the Tavarga letter, among the 5 letters, the first 4 letters, excepting the Panchama Varna, this Anunasika letter, excepting that all the letters are jal letter. When jal letter follows Chavarga, what will happen? Kuttam bhavati, choko kuku. Chavarga when followed by jal letter or in the end of the padam, by choko kuku, kuttam will happen. Therefore, this sutra will not have application. The sutra cannot have application. Only when nakara is there, that possibility, because nakara is not a jal letter. So, nakara, which is a tavarga letter, preceded by chavarga letter, then the sutra will apply. That is how you have the word rajnyaha. That we will see how the word rajnyaha also comes by allopanaha and all comes. We will see that later. Yatha rajan shabdasya dvitiya bhagavachanasya rupam. Rajan plus shas. Shas is 2, 3. So here what happens? This rajan plus shas is there by allopanaha. Al means at lopaha anaha. Rajan is ananta. Anantasya akarasya lopaha bhavati. That much you know. We will see what it is later. So in Rajan, that unending akara goes away. Therefore, Raj plus nakara is there. Now Jakara and nakara is in contact. Nakara tavarga letter, which is in contact with chavarga letter. Jakara, nakara. Therefore, what will happen to nakara? Nakara will become nyakara. So therefore, rajnyaha. You get the form rajnyaha. Jakarasya upastitau nakarasya stutve nyakaraha. So therefore, rajnyaha iti rupam. Right? Allopanaha we will see. Don't worry about that. The example is only to show that stuttam is applied. The form is derived. Is it clear this?
Yes, Jia.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then Kashikakara says sakarasya shakarena chavargena dvabhyam api sannipate. That's called yoga. Sannipate. Sannipate is close proximity. Proximity could be either before or after, preceding or succeeding. Sannipate shakaraha bhavati. Tavargasyapi shakarena. Similarly, tavargasyapi cha shakarena shavargena cha sannipate chavargaha bhavati. Adeshe tu yatasankyam iti yatasankyam ishyate, not isyate, ishyate must be. Sakarasya shakaraha tavargasya cha chavargaha iti. Then you give the examples that we have seen. Okay. And Siddhanta Kaumadi Halsandhi Prakaranam starts with this sutra. Stogo, Stuna, Stugu. Siddhanta Kaumadi, all these are covered under different topics. Sanya Prakaranam. First is Pratyahara talked about in Sanya Prakaranam, then Aksandi Prakaranam, then Alsandi. So in the Alsandi, this is the first sutra. Okay, this sutra is done. The next sutra is the same order we will see. Shtunashtugu. Shtunashtugu is 8441. So that sutra says, for that Stoho comes as Anuvrutti. So Stoho is the Anuvrutti. So Stoho Shtuna Sanyoge Shtugu Bhavati. Sakara Tavarga Yogo, Shakara Tavargabhyam Yoge, then Shakara Tavargo Staha. Shakaraha Sakarasya Sthane, Tavargaha Tavargasya Sthane. Yatha Sankyam. Kramena Bhavati. Asmin Sutre Prayukta Tratiya Vivaktihi Yoge Asmin Arthi Prayujyate. Yoga means contact. That's the meaning of yoga. Your yoga is contact. Shakarasya Tavargi Varnasya Ya Yoge Iti Yukte Tasmat Avyavahita Rupena Purvaha Va Paraha. Sakaraha Uta Tavargi Varnaha Vidyate Chet Sakarasya Shakaradeshaha Tavargi Varnasya Cha Yatha Sankyam Tavargi Varnadesha Bhavati. Yatha Sankyam is for the corresponding letter of Tavarga replaced by Chavarga. Okay. Is it's not for this. So it is you can say that also the replacement of Sakara by Shakara or Mudane Shakara. That you can always say this Tanayantara Tamaha. You can say even Zeta Sankyam also. Sakara is a gel letter. It's a Ushma Varna sibilant. So it has to be replaced by a sibilant only. Similarly, the Tavarga letter will be replaced by the corresponding Chavarga letter. 5 letters are there, 5 letters are replaced by corresponding the letters. Tavargi Varna. Therefore, Yatha Sankyam. So that for that only is giving Yatha Sankyam. So Sakarasya Shakara Adesha Bhavati. Sakara will be replaced by Mudane Shakara. Tavargi Varnasya Chavargi Varnaha. 5 letters are there, therefore only there. Which letter will replace which letter will confusion can come. Therefore only he says Yatha Sankyam. Tavarga 5 letters will be replaced by corresponding Tavarga letters. When this condition is fulfilled. What is the condition? When it is in contact with Murdhanya, Shakara or Tavarga letter. Asya Prakriyayaha Nama Eva Shtutvam iti. This is known by the name Shtutvam. Example. Here also you will see certain possibility where this cannot be applied because the possibility itself doesn't exist. So the number 1, Sakara Shakara Yogaha. Sakara in contact with Shakara, succeeding contact. Ityatra Sakarasya Shakaraha Bhavati. Yes, Ramas plus Shashtaha. So Padanta Sakara you can apply 8 to 66, Sarsajishoruhum. Then Vashari, if you apply Ramaha Shashtaha, that is one form. If you apply Visarjaniyasya Saha, then Ramas Shashtaha. Then after that, Shtuttam you have to do. So Ramas Shashtaha, Sakara in contact with, succeeding contact with Murdani Shakara. Applying Shtunashtugo, you get Ramas Shashtaha. The next one, Sakara in contact with Murdani Shakara, preceding contact. Shakara for precedes. Ityatra yadyapi anena sutrena, here also the same thing. Sakarasya Shtuttam vidiyate, tatapi asya sutrasya किं भवति अस्यावस्थायां प्रसक्तिः न भवति वै यतः पदान्तशकारस्य जलां जशोन्ते by जलां जशोन्ते that comes जलां जशोन्ते 8 to 39 that talks about only the ante padante. So if it is a padanta shakara, that will become just letter dakara. But if it is not a padanta, if it is followed by sakara, which is a jal letter, then what will happen? For that, the next the sutra is that is 8 to 41. Shadoho kahasi. What will happen to Murdanya Shakara when followed by Sakara? Murdanya Shakara will be replaced by Kavarga letter. So in this sutra, I think we have seen Shadoho kahasi 8 to 41. Remember that Shakara, Dakara in the like in the form Drakshyati, future tense and all we have seen. The Sya Pratyaya comes. Do you remember?
Yeah, Ji. Yeah.
Drakshati, Shikshyati, all those things. Drishtatu, future tense would be what? Pashyati, present tense. Litlakara,
Yeah.
Drish plus Sya plus
Sya.
T. Drish plus Sya plus T. What will happen to Drish Shakara? It is replaced by Murdanya Shakara.
Kavarga. Yeah.
Murdanya Shakara by Shattavidi, Shattam number 1. Then after that, Murdanya Shakara will be replaced by Kakara because Murdanya Shakara is followed by Sya. Sya is the Vikrana Pratyaya. Sya Sakara. That's by Shadogo Kahasi. That is replaced by Kakara. So Kakara plus Saka. Then you can add apply Shatvam, Adesha Pratyaya you have to apply. The Sya will become Shya. Now Kakara Shakara, therefore Drakshyati, the form you get. Right? I hope you remember.
Yes, yeah.
So therefore, Jalam Jashavante, that deals with Padanta Shakara. And Shadogo Kahasi, if it is not Padanta, then it takes care of this Shakara. So in both cases, Shakara will not be Shakara. In one case, Shakara will become Dakara. In another case, it will become Kakara. So since Shakara not there, therefore Sakara will not have contact with Shakara when it comes to this sutra. Asiddhatva. Therefore, this sutra will not have application in that possibility. Right? I hope all of you can follow. If you want me to write, you tell me,
No,
type in
Ji.
the word
Yeah.
file. If it is clear.
Clear, Ji. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir.
Then Savarga Tavarga Yoga. The next one. Savarga in contact with Tavarga letter. Succeeding contact. Ityat anena sutrena sakarasya sakaraha bhavati. Ramas plus tikate. So Ramash tikate. Sakara in contact with Tavarga. So we can apply this sutra. Again, if Ramas is a padam, you have to apply Sajusharuga, that all the steps you have to follow. Replaced by Visarga becoming Sakara, Sakara now applying this sutra, Ashtunashtuhu, Ramashtikate iti rupam. Then 2.2, Sakara preceded by Tavarga letter. Here what happens? Here only Apavada is there. That is going to come, we are going to see that next one. Padanta Tavargasya, if it is Tavarga is Padanta Tavarga, then Kim Bhavati Na Padanta Toho Anahityanena Shtutta Nishedaha Vidiyate. So Sakara is in contact with the Tavarga letter. But what Tavarga letter? It is Padanta Tavarga letter. Then Shtuttam na Bhavati. Shtuttam will not happen. Excepting. That's an exception to the exception. What is that? Anam. Anam, we have seen Anam, Navati, Nagari. Anam only is mentioned in the sutra. Anam means what? Na, Nam, Anam. Excepting Nam. That Nam is what is Nam? Nam referring to Shashti Vibhakti Bhaguvachana Pratyaya Am. Okay. What is Shashti Vibhakti? Nas, Os, Am. That is only Am. Then where is Nam? The Nakara is a Nuttagama. Will come. We will see that later. Rasva Nudhyapaha Nut by that sutra. In Rasva Shabda, we will see Rasva like Harinam, Ramanam, and all those places. We will see that Harinam also Gurunam. We will see that later. That Nuttagama comes. Nut Nakara. So therefore becomes Nam. So there it will happen, he says. That means Shtuttam will apply. Na Padanta Toho is Apavada. Anam is falls back into the Utsarga. That is Shtunashtuhu will apply. Shtuttam will apply. That's why you have Ramanam, Murdani Nakara. That's why you have Harinam. That's why Gurunam, Harinam, all where Nattam happens because of this Shtuttam only. That Nattam, you see that. not in Ramana Marinam, sorry, there it is not. Another place, Shannam, okay, that is a good example. That is the example. But Nattam happens because of Rashabhya no Naha, that is different. This Shannam, that is the example. Yes. Shatu plus Nam, there you will see Shannam, more than Nakara will be there. We will see that. We are going to see the sutra there, we'll see in detail. So Nam here, that referring to Am Pratyaya. That Am Pratyaya means Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana, that Am Pratyaya, that is Am. Well, then Vartikakara says Navati Nagari, that also should be said. Therefore, Navati the word and Nagari another word. There Shtutva Vidhi is applied. So applied. So negation to negation is Utsarga. So na Padantat Toho. So here the sutra says Padanta, here the Padantat Tavarga letter precedes Sakara, then it will not apply. That is Nisheda, we are going to see. Apadanta Tavarga Varnasya Udaharanani Nasanti. There are no example for Apadanta Tavarga following Sakara. Not there. Not there is not there. What to talk about that? Nothing is there. So Udaharanani Nasanti. Then Tavarga Shakara Yoga. Tavarga in contact with Shakara, succeeding contact. Ityatra. Here also an Apavada is there. We are going to see Togoshi. Tavarga letter alone, not Sakara. Tavarga followed by this Murdanya Shakara. Then Shtutva will not apply. Okay, then Tavarga preceded by Shakara. Here what happens? Aneka Sutrena, Tavargya Varnasya, Yatasankyam, Tavargya Varnaha Bhavati. Here Shtutvam applies, like Sarpish plus Tamam. Tavarga preceded by Murdanya Shakara. Therefore, Tavarga will be replaced by Tavarga Sarpish Tamam. Dvish plus T, Dvesh T. Dvish plus T is Dvish Dhatu. Tip T is Tip Pratyaya. So Dvesh T. Dvesh T is Pratama, the Pratham Purusha Ekavacham. Dvesh T. Okay, the next one. So what I covered as 8 possibility, that are only covered as this 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Tavarga Yoga. Tavarga in contact with Tavarga letter. Iti anena sutrena Tavargya Varnasya Yatasankyam Tavargya Varnaha Bhavati. Yata Marut plus Tikate. You know this Marut. Apply Jalam Jashonte Padanta. Jal replaced by Dakara, just letter. Then apply Tunashtugu. Dakara replaced by Dakara. Karicha, it becomes Marut. So Marut Tikate. And also Marut Tikate. Karvarna Pare. Dakarasya. Chartam Takaraha. So Marut Tikate. Then it need not be Dirga. I don't know why he is giving Dirga. Marut Tikate only. Marut Tikate. The preceding letter. Why it becomes Maru? I don't think so. It will, because Dade Lopaha or Rori only it will happen. But here it doesn't happen. Maybe a typo. It must be Marut Tikate. Okay. So Evameva Tat Takaraha Tat Diyate Chakrin Daukase, all those examples are given. Fine. The last one. Tavarga in contact with preceding Tavarga letter. Tavarga plus Tavarga. Ityatra anena sutrena Yatasankyam Tavargya Varnaha Bhavati. Okay. Yata Ing. So Eid Dhatu. Eid is Stutau. Dhatu ho. An example is giving Atmane Padasya Lat Lakarasya Pratama Purusha Ekavachanesa Rupa Siddho. Eid means to worship. Eide. I salute. I praise. Eid plus Shab plus Te. It's a Prasme Atmane Paridhatu. Here, Takarasya Shtutve. Eid is Dhatu. Shtutve Takara Bhavati. Eid plus Te. The Shap is goes away. Okay. Then Eid plus Te. So Ityatra Karicha Ityanena चर्त्वे कृते ईटे इति रूपं सिद्ध्यति. Okay. So he's giving one example where this Tavarga is preceded by Tavarga letter. So id plus te, we get ite iti. Tirupam siddhyati. Okay. So these two are the utsarga. Stoga, stogo stunashtugu and stunashtugu. Now comes the apavada. Na padantad toho anam. Anam is nanch tat purusha samasa. Anam. There is no vibhakti pratyaya anam. So lupta vibhakti kamiti. So lupta shashthyanta nirdeshaha. Shashtya viparinamite. Shashti vibhakti, accepting that anamaha must be anamaha, but anamaha not that. Anam is that. We have to understand. Why anam? Anam is anamaha. That like it's like Marut Shabda only. Nanch tat purusha samasa. Na nam anam. Nanch tat purusha samasa. Like Marut Shabda when you decline anam. Shashti vibhakti will be anamaha. That vibhakti pratyaya is lupta. It is lupta. It is Pranay Maharishi. He has removed that. He has not mentioned that. Shashtya viparinamate. Therefore, Shashti, lupta Shashti. Shashthyanta nirdeshaha. Bhavati atra. So now, maybe for the sake of the reading or chanting, you would have said like this. Na padanta to rana. Na padanta to ranamaha is the real anamaha. But it is Acharya's Maharishi's wish. Therefore, he says Shashtya viparinamyate. Okay. Padanta, padantat, Panchami. Padasyanta padanta. Tasmat padantat. So padantat, what padantat? Toho, that is also Panchami. Pratipadikam is two, like Guru. So padantat toho. Padantat qualifies this two. The Tavarga letter at the end of the padam. Kimbhavati na. What na? Stoho na bhavati. Stoho sthane shtuhu na bhavati. Stoho comes as anuvritti. Shtuhu comes as anuvritti from the previous sutra. Stoho from the 8440. So stoho sthane shtuhu na bhavati when padantat toho. Padantat toho. That is padanta tavargat parasya sakara tavarga yogo tutvam na bhavati. Sakara will not be replaced by shakara, or tavarga will not be replaced by tavarga letter. When sakara tavarga is preceded by tavarga letter, which is at the end of the padam, excepting nama. Nam shabde, nam referring to the Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana. Nam pratyaye pare, to bhavati eva. Nam pratyaya or nam shabda. Nam could be a shabda also. He says nam shabda. Generally, nam is Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana pratyaya. That is only example we will see. Tunashtuhu 8440 iti anena nirdishtam shtutvam padanta tavargiya varnat parasya sakarasya vishaye tavargiya varnasya vishaye cha na bhavati. So sakara and tavarga following padanta tavarga will not get shtutva-adesha. Yata shat plus santaha. Shat is actually it is shat. Shat by jalam jashonte it becomes shad. So it is a padam. Padanta tavarga letter precedes santaha is sakara. Therefore, what will happen here? Shtuttam will not happen. And what has happened here? Karicha. When Shrutam doesn't happen, you have to go to the next Chaturai apply. 8455 is Karicha. Karicha will apply. Therefore, Shat Santaha. Or Va Padante. Shat Santaha also is okay. Karicha or Padantasya. Va Padantasya is that. So Shat Santaha or Shat Santaha. Both are okay. Similarly, Shad. Karanti. What is Shad? 6 crosses. Crosses over. That is the meaning. Shad. Referring to some 6 people or 6 animal or whatever may be. Shad taranti. So shad is a padam. Padanta tavarga letter precedes takara. Therefore, by na padanta toranam stuttam na bhavati. Apply karicha, you get shat taranti. Kevalam karicha iti chartam vidiyate. Stuttam na bhavati. Now, this sutra na padanta toho is done. Then anam part, that is dealing with the next part. Next one. Parantu tavargasya, tavargat parasya. What tavarga? Padantat. Tavargat parasya. Nama shabdasya stuttam bhavati eva. Okay, Nama, that Padanta Tavarga, yes, to say Padanta Tavarga here. Padanta Tavarga Parasya Nama Shabdasya Stuttam Bhavati Eva Yata Shash Shabdasya Shash, the number Sankhya Shabda. Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Sarupam Evam Siddhyati. Shash plus Am. Am is Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya. Then Shat Chaturbhyascha. Shat Chaturbhyascha by that sutra Nuttakama Bhavati. Rasva Nadyapaho Nut. From that Nut comes Anuvrutti for this sutra. Shat Chaturbhyascha. All those things we will see later. We are going to see in Subhantaha. So Nuttagama will come. The content of Nuttagama is Nakara. The U is it letter. Content is only Nakara. Nut is a tit agama. And Am is the Stani. So it comes before the Stani. Therefore it becomes Nam. Nakara plus Am becomes Nam. This Nam is what is mentioned here in the Sutra. Anam iti. Anam means it will happen. Nanchtat Purusha. So in the case of Nam, accepting Nam, it means Nam Shtuttam Bhavati. Anam Na Bhavati. Anam Na means what? In the case of Anam, that is in the case of Nam, Na, double negative. Therefore falling into the main Utsarga, that is Shtuttam Bhavati iti. Anam is negative. Negative is negated. It means positive. It will happen. So Shat plus Shash plus Na. Jalam Jasha, there you apply. Now this is a Padam. This is a... Okay, now let me ask you one question. Shad plus Na. How you apply Jalam Jashante here? Can you apply Jalam Jashante?
No, Nakara is a jal letter. It's not a jal letter.
Nakara is not a jal letter. So what? What is the connection here?
So just...
Jalam Jashante we are talking about.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm sorry.
How this Murdanya Shakara is replaced by Dakara? By applying Jalam Jashante, yes, given. You can see the screen. I'm not hiding anything.
Yeah, given. Yeah.
Why I'm asking?
That what is that? The sound with that. What is that? I forgot that. There is a rule, no?
What is the rule? Any others? Try. Huh?
Savarnyam. Sthanyantaratamaha.
Sthanyantaratamaha. I'm not asking that. Shakara replaced by Dakara, Sthanyantaratamaha, fine. But what is the condition for Jal letter to be replaced by Jash? What is the Jalam? Padanti. Is it a Padam? Is it a Padam? My question is that.
Okay. Shash is a Padam you're asking. Okay.
Shash is a Padam. Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. You know what is Padam, what is Bhasanya. Remember Bhasanya and all. You remember, right? Padam.
Yeah.
Then how is this a Padam or not? Question is that.
Oh, Shakti Bhoj, that is not a Padam.
That is not a Padam. Then how can you apply Jalam Jashanti?
How can you apply?
Okay, what is a Padam? Suktingantam Padam. Okay,
Yeah,
that is main definition.
Padam.
What is the definition? That Padasanya is also assigned to the Pratipadikam certain cases. Where?
Other than that, Padasanya is...
No. The same Padasanya is assigned to Pratipadikam also under...
Other than Sut, other
Yachibam.
than
Yachibam.
Su Adishu Asarvanamastane Padam.
Yes.
I think you have to listen to all the previous
Again.
classes. Okay, all these are important to be remembered. Su Adishu Asarvanamastane
Padam.
Have you
Yeah.
seen the sutra or not? You have seen.
Yeah, we have seen, we have
Yes, yes,
seen.
yes.
Yes.
So it means what are the asarvanamastana? Say for example, Pullinga you take. Su, Aujas, Ammocha, Tabhyambis, all those things are there. What are the asarvanamastana pratyaya?
Starting from 2 by 3.
Huh?
Starting from Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Starting from Sut is Sarvanamastana. Starting
Yeah.
from 2, 3 onwards, it is
Yeah.
Asarvanamastana. Up to where?
Up
Saptami
to
Bahuvachanam.
7 to
7, 3. Up to 7,
7
3.
3.
Now we say Su Adishu Asarvanamastane Padam. Then we say Su Adishu Asarvanamastane Yechi Bham.
Yachibam, yeah, that.
What is that?
3 to 3, 3, 3. All those things are.
All those things are Padam only, not Ba.
Yeah, Padam. Yeah.
What does it say? If Asarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, and if that begins with Yakara or Ajadi Pratyaya, then what the Pratipadika Sanya, what Sanya the Pratipadikam, the Shabda gets?
Bhasangya.
Ba Sanya. The Ba is Apavada to that, right? That is why 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 7, 2, these get the Ba Sanya. Not the
Yeah.
pratyaya. But then what for precedes the pratyaya? The prakriti, the pratipadikam. The shabda gets a basagya. And therefore 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 3, which are left out, gets padasagya. Is it clear? That must be clear. Right?
Yes. Yeah.
Now apply that here. Suadishu asarvanamastane padam. Here the pratyaya is nam. Nam is not a yakara. Doesn't begin with yakara, doesn't begin with ach letter. Therefore, it gets a padasanya. Understand now. Generally, am pratyaya, am follows. Pratipadikam gets what sanya? Shashti vibhakti bhagavachanam. What sanya that pratipadikam gets? And followed by basanya. But here what happens? Because of nuttagama, it becomes nam. It is no more ajadi pratyaya. Right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Therefore,
Yeah.
it gets padasanya. Therefore, you can
Okay.
apply jala jaswante. This is the logic.
Okay. Okay. Reverse. Okay. Okay.
Because of agama.
Mhm.
Can all of you understand? Parvataji, Vasantaji, Ramaji.
Yes, Chief. Yeah.
You have to remember Su Adishu Asarvanamastane Padam or Echibam.
Yeah.
Please, you have to revise whatever you have studied.
Yes.
So, one small advice, don't take Sutra Pani Sutra for granted because it is very volatile. Your memory is, you will forget it. You have to keep on studying this, even though you have learned, but keep on looking at the Sutra again and again. Because when you see the Sutra, certain things which we have not seen or not covered or not, we fail to recognize, you will see when you see the Sutra second time, it will come to your light. Therefore, only the different levels of study is there. In the beginning, simple sutra, then with the level Siddhanta, then Siddhanta Kaumadi, then Kashika Vritti, then commentary to that also is Padamanjari, then advanced, then Mahabhashya. Siddhanta Kaumadi itself is big. There are a lot of other technical discussions are there, but you have to keep on, at least for simple sutra, what it is. When you say the sutra, one sutra, all the things connected to that should come to your mind. That comes only by repeated practice, and you have to keep on studying, keep on revising whatever we see. That is why the sutra numbers, I'm going in a particular order. If you see the sutra, the list, I'm going that in a particular order so that you can revise the sutras in this order. Sutras have got some connection. There's some continuity is there. Started from Sanya up to the Sandhi. Then after that, Subanta. Okay, so please go
Yes.
through the sutra. Then, therefore, Jalam Jashante, therefore only Jalam Jashante is applicable. Shadu plus Na. Now you can apply Shtunashtuhu. Nattam, sorry, not Nattam. Okay. This is not Nattam. This is Stuttam. Okay. But Nakara becoming Mudani Nakara. It is Stuttam Bhavati. Then after that, Yaraha Anasike Anasikova. That Anasika Sandhi will apply. That we are going to see anyway. 8445. It comes later. So Yar letter followed by Anasika. Anasika will come. Therefore, Shanna iti Rupam Siddhyati. Iti Dakarasya Vikalpena Anasike pare Nakare prapte Anam Navati Nakari Nakari Vachyam Aneka Vartika Nityam Nakara Adesh Bhavati. Therefore, this is Vartika. Here in the Sutra, Anam is there, but there is a Vartika which says not only Nam, Navati is another Shabda, Nagari is another Shabda. Even when this Shabda follows the Shabda having Nakara at the beginning, then also Nattam will happen. So, Navati Nagari Nam Api Vachyam iti Vartikakara says, Shanna. Atra Vartikam Ekam Nyatabyam Anam Navati Nagarina iti Vachyam ityukte Nam Shabdasya Vishaye Yatashtuttvam Bhavati Tata Eva Nagari Shabdasya Vishaye Api Navati Shabdasya Vishaye Api. So like Nam, similarly Navati and Nagari. Nam is Nanch, but Navati itself is the Shabda. Navati means 90. Nagari means city. Like example, Shat plus Nagaryaha, Shan Nagaryaha, it will happen. Shat is a Padam. Nakara is Tavarga letter. So Tavarga letter preceded by Padanta Tavarga letter. Stuttam should not happen, but exception to exception by the Vartika. Nagari is a, then it will happen. Only for the Nagari, Navati and Nam. So Shan Nagaryaha, you get the form is Shan Nagaryaha. Applying the Eraha Anasike Anasikoha, that Parasvarana Sandhi, Anasika Sandhi, you get Shan Nagaryaha or Shat Nagaryaha, whatever it may be. That Yaraha Anasika we are going to see. We have seen and already we know. It's the Sutra we will see. Then Shat plus Navati, you get the form Shan Navati or Shad Navati. Iti Rupam Siddhyati. Okay. So with this we'll stop. The next one, Togoshi, we'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ ಜಿ.